Hey guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. I'm Krithika Balakanda, and today we are going to be changing customary units. Our objective for today is understanding how to change customary units. Let's get started. The first question is, 4 pints is equal to how many quarts? I have a US customary units chart right over here to help us out with all the questions. So first of all, it's asking us 4 pints is equal to how many quarts? So we need to find 4 pints in the chart. Actually, we have to find quarts in the chart because that is the answer we're trying to solve. So 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. But here we have 4 pints. So that basically means 2 quarts. 4 pints is equal to 2 quarts. We know that because if 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, then that means we have to multiply this by 2 to double the pints, the amount of pints. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and we have 4 pints. So 4 pints is basically 2 quarts. Let's go to the next question. Our second question is 60 inches is equal to how many feet? So basically, again, we're trying to solve for the feet. So we have to search for feet in here. Here, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And here we have 60 inches. So basically what we do is, since we have 12 inches, we divide 60 by 12. 60 divided by 12 is equal to, so 60 divided by 12 is equal to blank. So pause the video and try it out. Alright, I hope that you tried it out. So 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5. If you know your 12 table, it will be really easy to solve this. So that basically means 60 inches is equal to 5 feet. And if we want to check it, we know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And our answer we got over here is 5. So we can just multiply 12 times 5. 12 times 5 is equal to 60. So that means our answer is right. That is how you check it. Let's go to the next question. The third question is 3 lbs equals how many ounces? So right here we just need to find lbs. Lbs means pound. Pound and lbs are the same thing. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. And we need 3 pounds or 3 lbs. And if we want 3, we need to do 16 times 3. And 16 times 3 is 48. So 3 lbs is 48 ounces. Let's go to the next question. The fourth question is 5 years equals how many days? Right here it says 1 year is equal to 365 days. But we want to find out how many days 5 years are. So basically, we're going to multiply 365 times 5 because we're solving for 5 years. 5 times 5 is 25. We bring the 2 over here. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2 is 32. So we put a 2 over here and we bring a 3 up here. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So 5 years is equal to 1,825 days. Let's go to the next question. For our fifth question, we have 9 feet equals 2 yards. We have a change over here. We're not changing the unit. We're not finding units. We're comparing this time. So we have to compare 9 feet and 2 yards. Which one is more? So we have 9 feet. We're just going to write it down here. 9 feet. So we have 9 feet. Now we're going to have 2 yards. Actually, I don't want to write 2 yards over here because we're solving to see if 2 yards is more or less than 9 feet. Here, we know that 1 yard is 3 feet. And we want to find out how many feet 2 yards are. So we're going to multiply 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So we have 9 feet and 6 feet. And as it's pretty obvious right now, 9 is more than 6. So 9 feet is more than 2 yards. Now we have 1 pint equals 1 quart. So here, if we look, it says 1 pint equals 2 cups, but we want to see how many pints 1 quart is. It says 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. The answer is pretty obvious now. 1 is less than 2 because right here it says 1 quart, but we only have 1 pint. It needs 2 pints to make a quart. So 1 pint is less than 1 quart. Our seventh question is, 2 miles is more or less than 2,000 yards. This is a little harder question. It's a pretty harder question. So we have 2 miles. Here it says 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. But we have 200 yards. We don't have feet, we have yards. So we know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So to solve for this, we need to multiply 2,000 by 3. And we have an easier way of doing that. We just cross off all the zeros. We have 3 zeros and we cross them off so that we just have to multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then you bring back the zeros. We have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you bring back the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 6,000. But we're not done yet. 6,000 is just 200 yards. So let me rewrite this. So basically, we haven't solved for 2 miles yet. We just know that 2,000 yards is equal to 6,000 feet. Now we know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. But now we need to know how many feet 2 miles are. So all we're going to do is multiply 5,280 feet times 2. But there's an easier way of doing that. So the easier way, as we did for the 2,000 yards, you just cross off the 0. Now we have 5,528 times 2. Now we're just going to solve it. So 2 times 8 is equal to 16. we bring up a 1 here. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we cross that off. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So we have this. But we can't forget to bring back the 0 that we had crossed off. We bring it back and we place it at the end. So our answer is 10,560. So we have 10,560. And it's pretty obvious. 10,560 is more than 6,000. So basically, 2 miles is more than 2,000 yards. Alright, guys, that's it for this lesson. I hope you liked the video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. Bye!